How to block a YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can block a YouTube channel. Yes, so without further ado, let's get started. So right now I am using an Android phone. It is just the same thing on iOS actually. So first thing is I'm gonna open the YouTube app. And here let's find a channel, YouTube channel. We're gonna block, example, this one, Cloudy. To block this channel is you just need to click the three dots on the top right corner. And as you can see right here, it said hide user from my channel. You can click that. And here it said hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. This will basically hide this user to your channel. Of course, block him. So let me click the hide user. And then there you go, user hidden and comments removed. Basically, it is just the same thing if you block someone. So yes, that's how to block a YouTube channel. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.